holiday season is just around the corner, and if you're looking for gift ideas, particularly a laptop for school, work, or entertainment for less than 50K, we got you covered. That said, here are some of the recently released laptops we found online that might just fit the bill. This list mostly includes laptops that have been recently made available for the Philippine market. So with that out of the way, let's dive right in. Starting us off is the new Vivobook 16, which is powered by the Snapdragon X series processor. I know it's quite the change considering we're used to Intel or AMD powered PCs, but this one actually sounds promising, at least on paper. According to ASUS, the Vivobook 16 is said to be 1.5 times better than the previous gen Vivobook 15 in terms of performance. And from what I've heard, laptops running Snapdragon chips provide longer battery life. This specific Vivobook 16 has a claimed 27 hours of uptime, which is quite unheard of with Windows laptops. Back to specs, we have a 16-inch IPS level screen with an anti-glare coating. The processor is paired with a Qualcomm Adreno GPU and comes with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. Battery-wise, it comes with a 50-watt R unit and 65 watts AC adapter for charging, and it ships with Windows 11 Home. The Vivobook 16 with Snapdragon X retails for 45,999 pesos. Next, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, and as the name suggests, its frame goes a bit thinner than usual, measuring about 17.9mm depth. It still has a bit of weight though, weighing around 1.63 kilograms. Specs-wise, it runs on the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 with Intel UHD graphics. For config, it has 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. The IPS screen measures 15.3-inch, and software-wise, the laptop ships with Windows 11 Home as well. The IdeaPad Slim 3 is currently on sale for 46,999 pesos via a third-party seller, Laptop Factory. Care for some gaming laptops? Well, the next entries we've got are gaming laptops from HP and MSI. Let's talk about the HP Victus 15 first. Now, this ain't the newest release per se, but rather a new stock for the Philippines. The one we found on HP's official Shopee store is running the AMD 7 instead, paired with the NVIDIA RTX 2050 GPU. For config, of course, it gets 16GB of DDR5 RAM plus 512GB of SSD storage. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS screen with up to 144Hz refresh rate and comes with an anti-glare coating. This HP Victus 15 gaming laptop goes for 43,740 pesos via Shopee. Interestingly, there's also an RTX 3050 variant available via the same third-party seller we mentioned earlier, which is priced at 47,999 pesos. Second to the last, we have the MSI Thin A15. This one's also fairly new stock, equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor paired with RTX 4050 GPU. It's available in 16GB DDR5 RAM, which is expandable up to 64GB max. Meanwhile, the storage capacity is default to 512GB SSD. For the display, it has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS LCD running at 144Hz and with Windows 11 Home pre-installed. Battery-wise, it packs a 52.4-watt R unit paired with the 120-watt AC adapter. The MSI Thin A15 is currently discounted at 46,500 pesos, available through MSI's official Shopee store. Last, but definitely not the least, we have another variant of the previous entry, the MSI Thin 15. Without the A. It's mostly similar except for the processor. This guy runs on the 13th Gen Intel Core i5 instead. The difference here is that the Ryzen 5 has a 6-core CPU configuration with up to 4.55 GHz clock speed. And as for the Intel processor, it has an 8-core config instead, clocked up to 4.6 GHz. So there should be some performance gains to expect with the Intel version. As it should, since it comes with a higher price tag, going for 48,999 pesos. So there you have it. Are you planning to pick up one soon? Or do you have any other laptop recommendations? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful or informative, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. See us on the socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And see CUtech.com for latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!